Hey friends! Have you ever thought about learning a new language? Want to learn a new language? Spanish is a fantastic choice for so many reasons. Spanish is a great choice. It's one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. Millions of people around the world speak Spanish. Imagine being able to communicate with people from different countries and cultures. Think of all the cool people you could talk to. From Spain to Latin America, the possibilities are endless. Learning Spanish is easier than you think. With the right resources and a bit of dedication, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can pick it up. With a little effort, you'll be speaking it in no time. There are so many tools available, from apps to online courses, to help you along the way. Learning a new language is like making new friends, and Spanish is a friendly language. It's warm, inviting, and full of life. It opens up a whole new world of culture and people. You'll get to experience vibrant festivals, delicious food, and rich traditions. Don't be shy, give it a try. The journey of learning Spanish is filled with exciting milestones and achievements. Learning Spanish is fun and rewarding. It's not just about the language, but also about the joy of discovery and the sense of accomplishment. It's like solving a puzzle, piece by piece. Each new word and phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency. And the reward? Speaking Spanish fluently? Imagine the pride and satisfaction of being able to converse effortlessly in a new language. Spanish can help you get a better job. In today's globalized world, being bilingual is more than just a bonus. It's a necessity. Employers are constantly on the lookout for candidates who can bridge communication gaps and connect with a broader audience. By speaking Spanish, you can stand out in a crowded job market and open doors to new career opportunities that you might not have considered before. Many companies are looking for people who speak Spanish. This demand spans across various industries, from healthcare and education to business and technology. Whether you're aiming for a role in customer service, sales, or management, your ability to communicate in Spanish can set you apart from other candidates and make you an invaluable asset to any team. It's a valuable skill to have on your resume. Highlighting your bilingual abilities can significantly boost your chances of landing interviews and job offers. Employers appreciate the versatility and cultural awareness that comes with knowing another language, especially one as widely spoken as Spanish. Want to travel the world? Speaking Spanish can enhance your travel experiences by allowing you to communicate more effectively with locals, understand cultural nuances, and navigate new environments with ease. Spanish is spoken in many beautiful countries. From the vibrant streets of Mexico City to the serene beaches of Costa Rica and the historic landscapes of Spain, knowing Spanish can enrich your travels and make your adventures more memorable. Imagine ordering tapas in Spain or exploring ancient ruins in Mexico. Being able to speak the local language can transform your travel experiences, making them more authentic and enjoyable. You'll be able to connect with locals on a deeper level and gain insights that you wouldn't get otherwise. Knowing Spanish helps you understand different cultures better. It opens up a world of literature, music, and traditions that can broaden your horizons and deepen your appreciation for diverse cultures. You can connect with people on a deeper level. Language is a powerful tool for building relationships, and speaking Spanish can help you forge meaningful connections with people from different backgrounds. It's like having a secret key to unlock new friendships. By learning Spanish, you open yourself up to a world of new possibilities, enriching your personal and professional life in countless ways. Learning Spanish should be fun. It doesn't have to be a chore or something you dread. Think of it as an exciting adventure where every new word and phrase is a step closer to a new world. Watch Spanish movies and TV shows. Listen to Spanish music. Immerse yourself in the culture. The more you expose yourself to the language in a fun and engaging way, the more naturally it will come to you. You'll be surprised how much you learn without even realizing it. Everyday activities can turn into learning opportunities. Find a language partner and practice speaking. Conversations are key. They help you think on your feet and get comfortable with the language. There are many language exchange apps and websites. These tools can connect you with native speakers from around the world, making practice convenient and accessible. You can even find someone in your city to practice with. Local language meetups and community centers often host events where you can meet fellow learners and native speakers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. They help you understand what you need to work on and improve. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning something new. It's important to laugh them off and keep going. Support from friends and teachers can make a big difference. The most important thing is to keep practicing. Consistency is key. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you'll become. So keep at it and enjoy the journey. What are you waiting for? Start your Spanish adventure today. There are many resources available like Duolingo, Babbel, and Immerse. Learning a new language takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. Every small step counts. Remember, learning Spanish is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process and have fun. Good luck.